AI writers aren't new. In fact, they're all the rage these days. But some of them are evolving to the point that they can mimic human writing to scary precision and are being called undetectable. So we decided to put them to a test, and what better way to do so than to put them up against as many AI content detectors as we could get our hands on. Are AI writers truly undetectable these days? And have AI content detectors advanced to the point that they can sniff all of them out? Hey everyone, I'm Noel, your AI aficionado, and we are gonna find out. But before we do, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you get updates on when our awesome AI videos get released. For this challenge, we have 10 undetectable AI writers. GPT-Inf, Hide My AI, Stealth Writer, Undetectable AI, Stealth GPT, One-Click Human, AI Text Converter, Write Human, Humanize AI, and Undetectable GPT. They're gonna go up against 20 AI content detectors: Winston AI, GPT-0, Check for AI, Originality, Interested in AI, AI Cheat Check, AI Undetect, Content Detector, Content at Scale, AI Checker Tool, Zero GPT, AI Text Detector, SEO AI Content Detector, Checker AI, GPT Kit, GLTR, AI Content Checker, Detect GPT, and GPT Safe. We bought all of these undetectable AI writers and AI content detectors so you don't have to. We spent $75.98 on the undetectable AI writers and $193.91 on the AI content detectors, for a total of $269.89. Undetectable AI writers pretty much all function similarly and are easy to use. Just copy and paste the AI-generated text that you want to rewrite into their fields, then click Rewrite, Paraphrase, Humanize, or what have you. The same goes for the AI content detectors. Just copy and paste the text you want into their fields, then click Scan. In our testing, we had ChatGPT generate 3 unique sorts of texts that the undetectable AI writers could rewrite. These are an essay about colonial America, a cover letter for a software engineer job application, and a fantasy short story featuring orcs, elves, and other sorts of fantasy creatures. All of these pieces of text are 500 words each to provide sufficient content for detection. But wait just a minute, early on in our competition, we already have several dropouts. These are the AI tools that just gave us way too many errors or did not work at all during our testing. For the undetectable AI writers, Undetectable GPT has dropped out. And for the AI content detectors, AI Content Checker, Detect GPT, and GPT Safe have all dropped out. So from here on, we're only going to count the results we got from the rest, which is still a sizable amount. Our first test is an essay on colonial America. Let's see how our competitors did. Here are the results for the undetectable AI writers. Hide My AI leads the pack with only 2 AI content detectors, Winston AI and AI Cheat Check being able to tell that the essay was indeed rewritten by AI. Tied for second place are Undetectable AI and Stealth Writer, with last place going to Humanize AI. Winston AI comes out on top, detecting every essay as written by AI, except for the one generated by GPT-Inf. Interested in AI takes second place. Now for the second test, which is a cover letter for a software engineer job opening. Let's start again with the AI writers. Hide My AI is still on top, but this time tied with Stealth Writer. They were both found out by the same 2 AI content detectors, Winston AI and AI Undetect. In second place is Stealth GPT, with Humanize AI still in last place. Now for the AI content detectors. Winston AI is still on top, but this time with a perfect score. Check for AI and GPT-0 are now tied for second place, while the previous runner-up, Interested in AI, was only able to detect one of the cover letters as being generated by AI. Our third and final test is a fantasy short story. Let's see how the AI writers did. And we have our first perfect score for the AI writers. GPT-Inf was the only one to be completely undetected, at least on this test. Hide My AI, though, is still near the top, coming in at a close second with AI Text Converter now at the bottom. But what about the AI content detectors? Winston AI is still at the top, despite the fact that it was confounded by GPT-Inf. Check for AI is at second place. And finally, here are the average scores of the undetectable AI writers. Humanize AI is unfortunately at the bottom, making it the worst undetectable AI writer. And at the top is Hide My AI, but we do have to note that GPT-Inf was the only one to ever get a perfect score in any of the tests, so that does deserve some extra credit. Therefore, the best undetectable AI writers are Hide My AI and GPT-Inf. You can try GPT-Inf after creating an account on their site, and the paid versions start at $12 a month and go all the way up to a whopping $349 a month. Wow! Hide My AI is also free to try, and the paid version is $5 a month if billed annually. But what about the AI content detectors? Which one of them is the best? Well, the results should be clear. And yes, Winston AI does indeed come out on the top with an almost perfect score that was only fooled twice by GPT-Inf, so it is the best AI content detector by far. And coming in tied at second place are GPT-0 and Check for AI. Winston AI can also be tried for free after creating an account on their site, and the paid versions are $12 and $19 a month if billed annually. So those are the best undetectable AI writers and AI content detectors. I found it really fascinating that neither side completely beats out the other, as the best undetectable AI writers can still be beaten by the best AI content detectors, and vice versa. But what do you think? How good will the undetectable AI writers and AI content detectors get in the future, and which one will win in the long run? Let me know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you get updates on when our awesome AI videos get released. Again, I'm Noel, your AI aficionado. I'll see you in the next video where the future is now, and the code is always exciting.